Yeah, I look forward to holidays that are connected with films. Like it's more like not just destinations, but where's a film festival going on anywhere in the world. So I think it's a lifeline for film lovers. Absolutely. Where can you get to watch like back to back stuff from all over the world? I think it's a very important section because I myself started with short films, and it's a great platform for someone who wants to get into filmmaking on a bigger level. And it's also to understand as a filmmaker yourself, like where do you stand, vis-a-vis, because there's so many people actually now, so many youngsters making films. So I think it's great. I mean, you can see the spark when you see something. I mean, even if it's a short film, you'll know that, oh my God, there is some talent in this particular genre. There were 20 films, and yeah, I think that they had a topic, so they all had to actually. Mumbai is the topic, so they had to have the city as a back, whatever. I mean, anything to do with Mumbai, basically. So yeah, one wide range of films, and I think there should be more. I mean, by next year, I think there should be like a fight for selecting. How do we come to this number? And there should be like at least 10 more added or something. Yeah. Challenges, I think, was to get it made. I wrote the film and all of that, but to get a producer on board is what the big challenge was, because I was a first time filmmaker. I had an actress who hadn't acted for 15 years. She was not under 20. She was not going to wear glamorous clothes. She was going to wear a sari. Her role was of a housewife. So they're all negatives for anyone to really believe in a project and think that it'll actually make any money. So that was the biggest challenge. So I think once that got done, you have your regular challenges of day-to-day production and someone losing their mind and not. So those are regular ones on production. So that's fine. Apart from that, I mean, I'm no one to preach or give advice, but I think the youngsters are way smarter. So they know a lot about themselves and what they want to do. So they're much clearer than I think we were at that point. So yeah, I look for advice from you guys, like what kind of films should we make. But I think it's, to definitely make and do something you believe in, and not just be desperate to make a film, because sometimes people make films and they say, yeah, this was not something I really believed in, I was made to do this and I had to compromise. You should never have to say that. That's my main thing. You should never have to say that. Don't make it until you feel what you want to do is not what is happening. You need to believe that, and what you're doing also needs to be good enough. Not that you believe in some indulgent thing and people say yes, of course, but to allow your compromises to be minimum, so that at least it's your mistake. When the film doesn't work, you'll know it's okay, ye meri wajah se nahi, not ki I was not allowed to do this, so this was not a story I believed in, this is not the star I wanted. So yeah, I think that's important.